I'm also technical lead at a small company called Contact here in Berlin, where we basically doing consultancy and software development. Me and my partner, which is the professor I'm working at the university, we have good background knowledge when it comes to civil engineering field. And especially when it comes to these digital solutions for the civil engineering field, we see there are a lot of gaps. One of them is for training people, and the other one is for custom tailored solutions to support the entire efforts in the civil engineering field. So we have the consultancy, and most of the time we do trainings for different companies. And we have the software development where we actually have clients, they want to have their custom tailored solutions to actually support their internal process or the process they have with their clients and all the stakeholders actually they have contact.
I see. Can you give any examples of these softwares you built?
Well, I think one of the let's say hotspots where we see there is a lack of solutions and we see a lot of room for customization is actually for asset management. So usually imagine that you have a housing corporation and they need to do their asset management. So how do they do it? They currently have some processes in place they follow. And usually if you look at the market and trying to see what kind of tools you have available to support this process of doing the asset management for their built asset, right, for how it's called. So there are no tools. There are no tools which are easily customizable. I have the knowledge that a lot of asset management companies and asset owners they started doing, let's say, in a more digital way, the asset management using Revit, for example. But Revit is not meant to be an asset management tool. It's mainly for the design authoring, and it's supporting to some extent very well this, let's say, the design authority phase. But it's not a tool someone should use for the asset management because there are different requirements for that. So we have some platforms. And mainly we focus on the web base because we think that slowly we have to move away from the desktop solutions because there is a lot of hassle, and also is one of the let's say is the main source of issues when it comes to information silos. Usually people, what they are doing with using this desktop-based applications, right? You have some tools installed on your computer, and it's pretty easy to save everything you do, all your work, to save it on your local computer. And you basically, what you share with the other members of your team is just some reports, and a lot of data is lost. So we try to, with all these solutions, especially with our clients, we try to convince them that the cloud-based solution is much more better than a desktop one. And then we focus on developing these cloud-based solutions to support